Hi everyone, hope you're having a great day wherever you are in the world. Thanks for clicking on the video. So you join me and the dogs today as we head over towards Clovenford, known as Cloven, here in the Scottish borders. We're going to be making our way to Whitebank Castle. So you fancy joining me today? Come on then.
And welcome to Torwoodlee Tower here in Galashiels. This is where our video starts, the first landmark in the video. We're going to be heading over on an ancient trail over towards Clovenford and over to another Pringle tower called Whitebank Tower, which is quite close by. Just up from the tower, you follow this path up to the farmyard. This is where it comes out here. There's the vaulted ceiling. Can't actually gain access to this tower. The gate's locked. And there's no way of getting the key. Yeah, so you can see the foundation here and how thick the walls are in this old fortification. There's remains of the old vaulted ceiling, stone vaulted ceiling. That would have been the dungeon. So it's only the very lower part of the tower that survives.
some calcium deposits there. Here's an old ancient font by the looks of it. Yeah, here's where the stone ceiling has collapsed. You can still see the concave vaulted ceiling. This arch here, this lintel arch, has survived. Yeah, these really tiny little crevasses in the wall would have been places to poke sticks and spears, maybe even muskets. Yeah, so you can clearly see the tower that's still standing here with the roof. It's been clearly built on a very old ancient site. Beautiful, all these dry stone walls here. These little holes in the wall here on the very outside perimeter of the tower would have been for keeping bees. Look at that. It's really old glass. Really old glass. Yeah, I was here last year. I spun the drone around a few times, so if you want to see that video, I'll leave it Oh, so that's it from me here at Whitebank Tower, here on the Torwoodlee estate in the Scottish borders. Don't forget to do all the good stuff, thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell or whatever, and I'll catch you on the next video, yeah? Ta-ra! Castles, 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 castles. Yeah, so when you walk around here in the Scottish borders, you can sort of get the feeling that you're walking back in time here. You know, you walk in a shopping centre or a built-up place, and you can almost guarantee that over the decades, you know, it's changed quite considerably. But here, the only thing really that changes is how fast the trees grow.